if you're trying to make money or advertise or get known online, you're probably going to need photos for social media posts, for your websites, stuff that looks really good. Now, I strongly suggest doing a photo shoot for when you need photos of yourself. Like, go ahead and schedule that photo shoot so that you get some great high quality photos of yourself that you can put into your advertisements, flyers, websites, banners, whatever. But oftentimes you're going to need stuff for the background to show off a product or to lead people into clicking something, all that kind of stuff. There are some great sources out there for free, high definition quality photos, royalty-free photos. And today I'm going to talk about that. My name is Zion Brock, and I'm the founder of the Get Known service. It's a service in which we apply the Get Known strategy to small business owners and entrepreneurs to help them get known by getting into a weekly rhythm of putting out content value to their audience so that they attract leads, customers, and make money. If that interests you, check out our service below. Our forte is podcasters and YouTubers and bloggers. We support what they do so that all they have to do is just make content and we do everything else for them. Repurpose their videos, their podcasts, everything. If that interests you, click below. We would love to talk to you. I have a free 15-minute consultation that you can have with me. All right, so let's dig into this. The first thing I want to tell you about is a website called Unsplash. If you go to unsplash.com, it is fantastic. There are photos. This is probably my favorite site. I just typed in black and white profile of a woman, and there's just incredible high quality photos that you could use for your websites, your products. These are all royalty free. Now, granted, when you click these and download it, it will ask you, well, first of all, it wants you to have an account, which is really easy to do, but it's free. But it'll ask you to give credit to that artist. So if you put it on your website, it's a good habit to give credit to that artist. Maybe at the very bottom of the website, say photos were taken by these artists. But you don't have to either. It's just a good habit to do. It's a good practice. Incredible photos you can explore, and they've got all kinds of filters on here, and you can look at their collections. They're just incredible. It's very self-explanatory. I don't need to explain how to find a photo, but you can type in the search and look through categories. The next one is called Pexels, P-E-X-E-L-S. And again, incredible photos for this as well. If I don't find what I'm looking for on Unsplash, I go to Pexels. And if I don't find what I'm looking for there, I can go to Pexabay. And now there might be some others, but these are my big three. But to be honest, ever since I became a Canva user, the Canva Pro user, I use their stuff almost all the time because they give you access to a huge database of stock photos and videos, which is fantastic. So I strongly suggest just getting an account with Canva, a pro account. You can use my affiliate account below to get a free trial. And then you're not having to worry about going to all these different sites. Ever since I've been using Canva Pro and using their stock photos, I rarely have to use the other sites anymore, which makes it one stop for me. So if you find something you like, you just grab it, put it in. And plus, there's a lot of great features like the background removal tool, which is fantastic. And I talk all about that in my other video, the Canva video. So if I don't find what I'm looking for in Canva, I jump over again to unsplash.com, and then I try Pexels, and then I try Pixabay. So those are my go-tos. I hope this video helped you. If it did, will you hit the like button in YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel? That would help us out. All right, guys, that's it for this week. I will talk to you later. My name is Zion. Bye.